It looks fabulous on.
I got all that I need. No need.
Hi everyone. So if you're new, my name is Natasha. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me. Also, if you're returning, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate the love and support that you've shown me. So in today's video, I'll be doing a Beyonce ADIDAS Ivy Park Ice collection unboxing, try and haul. Without further ado, let's get into it and see what the different pieces are. I am very excited to see what's in the box or what the different items will be. So you're gonna get to see my first reaction. Right, let's do this. So the first item is this multicolor sports bra and also comes with the leggings. So all of the sizes that I'll be using in the video are size medium. So first two items, multicolor. Yeah, cool. I really like them. Yeah. Can't wait to try these on. So let's see. Next item is the baby blue dress. So this will be a very cute piece on because I saw Beyonce in it and she looks really fine in it. So I was like, ooh, can't wait to see how this will look on me. Right, so let's see what the other bits are. And I've also got this bold pink sports bra. I've also got the shorts and I've also got the leggings as well. These are like stuff that you would wear to the gym. So, and as you can see, I'm wearing the Ivy Park drip to black. Make sure you go and check out my other two previous videos if you've not watched them before. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. I've also got the white catsuit. I've tried on the other catsuit and this always looks amazing on. So make sure you stay tuned because you're gonna want to see how this will look on me. Right. So I've got the latex bodysuit and I've also got the joggers to go with it. Yeah. So I'm not sure how they're gonna feel because I've never tried latex before, but I'm excited to try them on. And I think that these will look really fantastic on. So I've come to the last remaining three items I've got in the box. I've got the brown hat and I've also got the mesh leggings and the mesh crop top to go with it. So let's try these babies on and see how these different items look on. So this is a multicolor sports bra, very colorful. I've got the black one on from the Ivy Park drip to black. And these sports bra are very comfortable. They don't have any bones, but then it still gives you that lift that you need. Because every woman wants a little bit of cleavage when they have this sports bra on. And these are very, very comfortable, like I say. It's got it also has like the wide strap. Straps as Ivy Park, and the straps are adjustable. So what I really like about this is that it has a mesh fit in the back. So yeah, I really like this. And it's colorful because me, I love color. I love anything that's colorful, give it to me. So this is the leggings and as you can see, very colorful, very bright. It has like Ivy Park, shred time, it has crop buster, different words on top of it. It has like the V shape in the front and it also has the V shape in the back, which I think is really cute. And it also has this bit of fabric that will keep your stomach in, which I like because I find that I like high waist stuff, but I like, make sure everything is intact. And this is the way that the multicolor sports bra on, and as soon as I put them on, I was like, this is definitely a keeper. Very comfortable. With the zip that I mentioned before, you can zip it all the way down and just put it on, which is very easy for you to put on your sports bra. Very comfortable. Yeah. These, I really like them. The fact that the sports bra doesn't come with a bone, it is very comfortable, but you still got that little bit of extra, for your girls, just to give them that extra support that they need. Yeah, I really like that. So this is the back of it, and you can see like the mesh details or little things. Like I said, this is very cute. I definitely love this set, and the fact that it's colorful, this is definitely staying. Yeah, this is definitely a keeper. So the leggings, they're very comfortable, just like the black ones. You can definitely see the V shape. And they almost feel like a second skin. They're very soft. It's very easy for you to put on, which I like because sometimes, you have gym sometimes you have leggings and you're fighting to get them on. And yeah, these are definitely, like I said, these are definitely a keeper. I've just gone ahead and just paired them with my white ADIDAS trainer. I got these trainers from ASOS. And yeah, first outfit up and I like it. These are very comfortable. You know, they do what they're supposed to do. But I'm not sure. These look too cute for me to wear to the gym. What do you think? Do you think they look too cute for the gym? You know, comment down below and let me know if you think they're too cute for the gym. But I find that if your gym wear looks fantastic on, it's gonna empower you, it's gonna motivate you, you're gonna wanna go to the gym. You can't go to the gym, you know, you can still walk out from home and still, you know, buy some cute gym wear and look amazing. Like I go running, so, or I still exercise at home even though I can't go to the gym. So like I said, yeah, I really like these. Comfortable, I mean comfort, very comfortable, and you're not wasting any time trying to pull these on. These are very easy to get on. Definitely like these. Next up is the baby blue latex dress, and as you can see, it looks a bit like a raincoat. At first I was like, what? Wait, I thought it was like a different material. I thought it would be similar to the material that they use to make the gym wear, but it's not. It's I don't know, I'm not even sure if it would fit me because there's not loads of stretch to it. You can only hand wash it only. I mean, it's very short. I mean, I seen Beyonce in it and I was like, you know what, she looks amazing with that on. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna definitely try this on. But like I said, I'm not too sure how it's gonna look on. It's longer saying it's made from latex, but actually it's made from polyester. And I'm just gonna show you how this dress would look on. See, this is the latex baby blue dress on from the Ivy Park ADIDAS Ice collection. You know, Beyonce made this dress look amazing on, but now I've tried it on. I think I've lost like 10 pounds trying to get into it. There's a little bit of stretch to it, but nothing major. So I think if you're gonna get it, I mean, all of the other pieces are size medium. This one, I think you're gonna have to get the next size up if you're gonna get this. To be honest, I am not a fan of it. The dress is very short, which I like, but it's a bit too small, I think, for me. It has a zip here, so you can zip this down, which, you know, show a little bit of cleavage if you got it. And it also has a zip under the armpit, and you can zip it down to here. But I'm not keen on the material. Zip on either side, so you can zip it up if you want to. But the color is fantastic, but I'm not keen on the material. And you can see it says, I'm not sure if you can see. I'm not sure if you can see, it says Ivy Park on the sleeve, and it has like the ADIDAS logo at the back of it. This one, no on the material, but the color looks amazing on me. Yeah, I love it. And if you think it's too short, you can also rock it with these leggings. Like I said, these leggings, and I've got the sports bra on. You can't really tell, can you? You know, when you watch Austin Power movie, this just reminds me of this outfit. Hey, baby. But it looks cute on, you know, bodycon and everything. But like I said, no on the material. So this is a pink sports bra, and it's quite similar to the black one I had on when I started like the intro for this video. It has like the cutout detail, and this one has got like a little pattern to it. Like I said, it doesn't have any wire. These sports bra are very comfortable. I've had mine now since Ivy Park Drip to Black came on. It has like the mesh details in the back again, written on the straps, and it also has like the ADIDAS logo on the back of it. With these, with the leggings and the shorts, they're very stretchy. The size are, like I said, the size are medium, and they will all be linked in the description box. They have like the V shape in the front and the V shape in the back. I think that the sewing for the thread looks a bit silver-ish for the V shape. This is a pink sports gym outfit, and as you can see, fits me the way that, you know, the black one fit me. Very comfortable. Got a little bit of cutout, so you show a little bit of skin, not too much. You've got like the leggings are very high waist, so you got that extra comfort. And as you can see in the back, it's got the Ivy Park logo. These are very comfortable. They, like I said, they almost feel like a second skin. You know, in the 80s when a woman were wearing like the bodysuit over their leggings, This is like vibes that these are giving me, you know. It's got like the pattern, say, very comfortable, you know. Love, definitely love these outfits, love these gym wear. These are the pink shorts, and I think I prefer the longer one. What do you think? So they have the same material as the leggings, you know, just a little bit shorter. Comment down below and let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer the leggings or do you prefer the shorts? Both look cute on either way, but I think I prefer the leggings in them. So this is the back of them. I think they're a little bit too tight on the leg, but beside that, you know, they fit me fantastic. So, this is a latex bodysuit, and as you can see, the material is quite similar to the dress. It looks a bit cheap, which I'm a bit disappointed, not impressed at all. It does have the ADIDAS logo at the back, and it also says Ivy Park on the straps, but like I said, this feels cheap. This doesn't feel like how the other stuff normally feels. So I'm just gonna go and pair it with the joggers as well, the latex joggers, and like I said, they are not latex. I mean, it says the name latex, but it looks more like cheap, like a raincoat material. It looks like, I mean, on the inside the material, it doesn't really feel like really soft on your skin. The bodysuit is a Tongs bodysuit, so the bodysuit, it was a fail. I couldn't get it on. There's a little bit of stretch to it, but just it couldn't go over, and I didn't want to rip it, so I didn't even try it on. A bit gutted because when I see Beyonce in it, she looks gorgeous in it, so I was like, oh yeah. And the trousers, they were a walkout. I don't think I can sit down in it. I mean, these are the latex trousers, and these were definitely hard to get on. I mean, the size, I got a size medium. I had to struggle to get them on. I think, like I said, you're probably gonna have to get the next size up in this. I think it looks good. It looks good. Oh no, you got it, but I don't think I can sit down in it. So I'm reckoning if I sit in it, it's gonna rip. They do look a bit shiny, like, you know, like a raincoat, but once you put them on and you can actually get them on and they fit you, they look great. They look great on, but yeah. But I think, like I said, you can't sit down in it, so what's the point if you get something? I mean, you could just use it to take pictures, but beside that, no. And then length a little bit short. It does have the ADIDAS 3 stripes on it. I am not impressed with the latex bodysuit and the latex trousers because they just don't fit me as well as I thought that they would have. But like I said, that's why I do try on hauls, so you can definitely see which fit that you would like, or which fit that would fit you, or which fit you would return. So I just want to give my honest opinion, just to let people know that, you know, some bits do fit, some bits don't, and then that's just the way it is. I have got the white catsuit, and it feels much more stretchier than the 2 previous catsuit that I tried on in my try on hauls. Make sure you go and check those videos out. So I'm just gonna put it on and just show you how the catsuit looks on, because I think with this, and from there you can always make a decision. So I do love the catsuit. I think that you can't go wrong with them. The only thing, like I said before previously, it's definitely a struggle to get on, but this one is very, like I say, so this one is very stretchy. You can see, like with the straps, you got like the, so with the straps you got like the Ivy Park written on it. These straps, you can remove them to get them on. You've got padded, as those are padded in here, so your girls can get that little that you need. So you've got the ADIDAS stripes all the way down your leg on this side and on the other side, and you've also got like the ADIDAS logo. Now you've got Ivy Park written on here. The catsuit, as you can see, it shows everything. You can't really hide it unless you put like a jacket on. It does have like the rim material which draws in at the waist, which I really like. You know, for me, the catsuit was definitely the ice in this collection. This looks amazing on. This is just such a fantastic piece. You know, just say the straps are adjustable. Definitely one of my favorite pieces so far from the ice collection. So make sure you stay. This is a final outfit from the Beyonce ADIDAS Ivy Park try and haul, and as you can see, the brown color is really cute. I have got in the mesh crop top, and I've also got the mesh leggings. And on the brown leggings and the crop top are quite similar to the pink one, and I'm just going to show you how these will look on. So this is the mesh crop top with the mesh leggings on, and for me the color is amazing on. It just blends in perfectly with my skin tone, and I do like the print, you know, it's similar to the pink gym wear ones. With this outfit, like I said, I do love the colors. You know, it's like a brown earthy tone, and it also got like little gold patterns to it. The mesh is all the way at the top of the crop top, and it goes away at the back as well. So with this, you definitely can't wear a bra, but to lift them up, to have them up there. So that's what I really like about this mesh crop top. Your girl's definitely gonna be up, like up there if you got really big boobs. Right? As you can see, it's got the Ivy Park logo on the top, and it also got it on top of the waistband. I didn't really want to get a large in this because I was like, you know what, summer's coming, you want like a cute outfit to wear, especially if you're going clubbing. I don't think clubs are going to open anytime soon, but that's just my opinion. This would be like a cute little number, and like I said, it's quite similar to the black one I had tried on previously. Make sure you go and check those videos out. And like I said, there isn't loads of stretch to it when you try to put the top on. It's like definitely a workout, so definitely need 2 people to help you to put it on, because there's no stretch to it. There's a little bit of stretch to it, but nothing major. Mesh on the leggings goes all the way down to your ankle. I think with these, if you're gonna wear them, you're gonna either have to go commando, or you're gonna have to definitely get a stick-on underwear, or if you've got like underwear that probably match like this outfit and you can wear it, but I doubt it. But these fits amazing on, and I can't say anything bad about this. So I really love this outfit. I mean, I know it's a medium, but it fits me differently compared to the black. I think sometimes material tends to fit a little bit different. So it's a reversible hat, and you can wear it like this with the pattern, or you can wear it like with the teddy bear, really soft on the inside feel. Just need to remove the tag. Not sure if I'm a fan of this hat, but as you can see, oh, I think it looks cute. Yeah, I just forgot to show you with the outfit, but yeah, it's cute. I mean, it's a bit high because I've got like a little bun up the top, but yeah, I like the hat. Yeah, very cute. What do you think? Do you like the hat? Are you feeling the hat? Do you prefer it to wear like this way? This is probably definitely, like I said, this is definitely an ice hat, because the fur is definitely gonna keep you really, really warm. So with the fur teddy bear side, it's got like the Ivy Park written on it, and it's got the ADIDAS logo as well. So, see, no, I don't like it with the fur bit. To me, it makes me remind me like if I'm in the army or something. Nah, I'm not keen on that bit. I think I made my decision. I definitely prefer it this way. Yeah, I prefer. Yeah. Now we're talking. Yeah, I like this way. Thank you so much for watching my Beyonce Adidas Ivy Park Ice collection unboxing, try and haul. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. For me, I quite enjoy a lot of the pieces. The only bits I didn't like was like the latex dress. Like, what's that about? Pieces I just didn't like. Those materials didn't fit me that well and didn't look fantastic on. But my fave was like the multicolor gym wear, because you know I love gym wear. I know I exercise a lot, and that was definitely a keeper. And I also like the catsuit. The catsuit look fantastic on. You know me and catsuit, I love them. Some people don't like them because like us, probably how you gonna, you know, if you need to go to the toilet, how you gonna do your business. But me, I still love a catsuit. I love a catsuit, I love a bodysuit, but this one just didn't fit me. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know which item was your favorite. You know your girl would appreciate it very much. And also, you know, hit that notification bell. You know, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and give this video a thumbs up. You know what, I would appreciate it very much. I would definitely catch you in my next video, which will be a how to style spring outfits. Take care. Bye.
I got all that I need.